Schechter is special because it's not like any other school.
It makes me feel like I belong here. It makes me want to come back in the morning the next day.
When I come to school every day, I'm so excited to see my friends. I love seeing my friends every day. I'm most excited for everything.
I love the community here, and I want to give back to them as much as I can.
Schechter is not just a school.
Schechter is my home.
You really just feel like you walked into another home.
I spend more time here than I probably do at home, and it's always a place I feel safe.
It's just an amazing support system. Everybody knows everybody else, and it's just a family.
Schechter is the best school in the world.
Schechter is the best school ever.
Schechter's just one big family.